Welcome to Unit 5306 at the Marquis. I'm Dave Omach. Come take a tour with me. So as you walk in, you'll notice the house has a lot of different, very unique features, like this beautiful glass enclosed white rock. I think it looks beautiful. And as soon as you walk in, to the left, you have a very private guest suite. So this is one of my favorite rooms in the house, actually, because of the layout. There's tons of space. You have north views, you can see the water, which is amazing. You have a private entrance. TV on the wall. It's really built for somebody who entertains and has a lot of guests. And then a massive walk-in closet with tons of shelving, ensuite bathroom, beautiful shower, really everything that you need. Then as you walk through the property, you'll notice there's tons of glass enclosures that really create a luxury feel. So you have a powder room over here to the right, and then over here to my right, you have a beautiful office that can also be a bedroom, but right now it's used as an office. Massive room, full bathroom, beautiful views facing northeast. So you see the water, really set up properly in every direction. And then again, a massive walk-in closet. So this is a unique space because you can actually use it for productivity. You can convert it into a bedroom. The glass enclosure is another luxury taste, another luxury touch, I should say, that this home has. And I think the views are something that, whoever is lucky enough to own this property is gonna be excited to have. So let's move on really quickly. So these stairs lead upstairs, and we'll show you that towards the end. And, I think in a lot of ways, you never know how inconveniently you've been living until you experience extreme convenience. So when I think about this location, when I think about the property, in a lot of ways, that's what it represents. You're in the best part of downtown. You're 10 minutes to Miami International Airport. You're 5 minutes from the beach. You're 5 minutes from Brickell. And most importantly, you have double height ceilings. Again, it's a penthouse, so you have tons of space. And the main theme that I also love about the property is that you have multiple areas for entertainment. So there's multiple private nooks. So over here, I actually really like this area because in a lot of ways, this is a meeting space, right? When you walk in, you have an area to sit, relax, meditate. A lot of people overlook these little spaces that offer you amazing views, create clarity in thinking. So that's really what I like about it. And then of course, this view, grand piano. So, I couldn't really help myself. They had a piano here. Couldn't help myself, had to do it. Then, of course, the beautiful views facing Biscayne Bay. You're across the street from the Casella Center. Depending on your lifestyle and depending on what's important to you, you're right next to and literally on the same street as Club 11, which is probably the most famous entertainment venue in South Florida. You can see Sunny Isles facing west. That's kind of going towards Coral Gables, Coconut Grove. So you have tons of amenities being in this location, and the proximity to the highways, again, just going into the convenience factor, it's really unparalleled when you're here. Then another beautiful luxury feature is this glass enclosed, climate controlled wine cellar. I did the math, you can probably fit around 90 bottles of wine in here. And then on top of that, you have beautiful shelving throughout. So it's really just a nice space, a nice additional location that adds value to the new owners. So really a nice touch. And then as we walk over here towards the kitchen area, again, another massive kind of location throughout the property. So 2 refrigerators, 2 freezers, multiple stovetops, multiple ovens. This place is designed not only to host and entertain guests, but it's also built for somebody who has a private chef to cook multiple meals for a lot of people, built-in espresso machine, really just a few little luxury amenities, again, that add value to whoever wants to own this property. And now we're gonna walk towards the theater room. As you walk into the theater room, it's a 6-seater. You definitely can add more seats here, but it's just one of those unique setups where you can use it as like an office, you could use it as another bedroom, but the fact that it's converted into a room to watch games, to watch movies, I think it's really unique, and they've really done a good job with the setup. And I think one of the more interesting things about this specific room is that there's a staircase that actually leads you upstairs to the second bedroom. So it's nice, it's private, it's connected, and although there's tons of rooms and bathrooms, the layout actually does make sense, and it's one of these properties that you have to come and see to truly understand and feel. And what's nice is as you walk through the theater room, this connects you to the studio. Okay, and before we hit the studio, you have another private room here, full bedroom, which is really nice. Nothing insane to see there. And then on this side, you have another full bathroom, which is amazing, truly massive. You have a tub. So again, just more space and more areas for living. And then as you walk in to this second entrance, which is also a studio, it's beautiful because for one, the second entrance, again, private elevator, it opens up right into the unit, which is amazing. You have a closet on that side. You have a full bathroom and walk-in closet on this side, which is just beautiful. And then what's really unique, again, is that we have a full kitchen, right? This is a studio that has your kitchen, your living room area, beautiful views, private balcony. So again, it's just one of these really creative units. The most important thing to know about this unit is that it is 3 units combined, and the total square footage, 7,000 square feet, total square feet, is truly hard to find in Miami, let alone for this price point at around $1,000 a foot. And now we're going to go check upstairs. Again, as I mentioned when we walked in here, all of these beautiful, kind of luxurious touches that they have with the glass enclosed white rock really creates a feeling of luxury and an earthiness. But let's go take a look upstairs. Massive, extremely wide stairwells. And I think what everybody loves is the fact that this walks you into the view. So over to my right, this is gonna be the master bedroom, and we're gonna show you that at the end. But as we walk here to my left, you'll notice, again, this building and this unit in particular has tons of sort of these pockets and nooks that you can use for entertainment, relaxation, reading books. And then again, of course, you have the northeast facing views of Biscayne Bay, which is beautiful. So as we walk in here, there are 2 bedrooms upstairs. This is the second bedroom, beautiful flow through unit. Again, this is a king size bed. You have your glass enclosed shower. You have a double vanity, massive, tons of space. It flows into a walk-in closet, which is beautiful. This door closes and actually leads to a mini office. And then downstairs is the theater room, which is beautiful. And now we are entering the primary suite, and this is the finale of the home. You are greeted with beautiful bay views of Miami, glass enclosed closets. This is almost like your own little spa, right? You can sleep, you can enjoy the white rock, which has been the theme throughout the home, his and hers, vanities, a beautiful walk-in shower with almost 15 shower heads, beautiful bidet, bathroom area. You have a tub, massive tub, which I think is amazing. And then over here to the right, you have kind of like a makeup area for the ladies. And then most importantly is the dry sauna. So this can be a great way to start your day, an even better way to finish and end your day. And this sauna is just great for relaxation. It truly just has everything that you need when it comes down to wanting to meditate and kind of start off your day. It's great for decompression, great for relaxation, and frankly, a luxury amenity that you'd be hard pressed to find in buildings, let alone in your unit. So this is a beautiful thing. And then last but not least is going to be the closet. So this closet is absolutely massive. You're talking about probably around 50 square feet, I would say. So it's a walk-in closet, you know, glass enclosed area for your belongings, and just really something large with tons of shelving. I mean, you can definitely put like 100 plus shoes in here. So again, when you think about homes, when you think about the location, this is truly a special location, primarily because of the fact that one, we're in downtown Miami. Two, we have northeast and east facing views. And this is one of the most luxurious and exclusive buildings in South Florida. And now the best part, the views. So as we mentioned, we're in the middle of downtown Miami. We have northeast facing views, west views. The proximity that we have to the best of Miami is really why I love this property. So you have a massive flow through balcony. It's literally 3 balconies, right? This is one space. There's a second space over here, and then a third space at the end. So you have tons of space and room to host folks. You could probably have like 40 people outside here pretty comfortably. And then of course you have the views facing east. So you're talking about 5 minutes to Miami Beach, literally 5 minutes or less. You have the Kaseya Center, downtown Miami and Brickell. And then as you look north, you have everything from Edgewater. You can even see Sunny Isles. So you're pretty much in the center of everything. And again, being 10 minutes from the airport, 5 minutes from the beach, 5 minutes from Brickell, 5 minutes from the design district, it's hard to really think about a location that's actually more convenient than this. And in a lot of ways, that's what you have here. So again, thank you guys for coming on the tour with me. Really excited to show whoever's interested in the property in person. So if you have questions, you want more information, or if you want to schedule a personal tour, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I'm Dave Omach, and it's been a pleasure.